watermelon fresh cream ice cream smoothie or watermelon fresh cream ice cream milkshake. Today we are going to make watermelon fresh cream ice cream milkshake. The ingredients are 400 ml of milk, put in the watermelon slices, put in a scoop of ice cream, put in 2 to 3 spoons of fresh cream, put in 3 spoons of sugar, now close the mixie and grind all the contents well in the mixie. The watermelon ice cream fresh cream milkshake is ready and can now be served. This is the final watermelon ice cream fresh cream milkshake or watermelon ice cream fresh cream smoothie. A very easy and tasty refreshment which can be served by beginners.